Hi guys, as I receive a lot of DMs of you guys, however I decided to capture a video about exact sequence to teach this phonic. So if you want your kid to be sequential, so follow that step, and this step help your kid to teach phonics in very proper way. So first of all, these are my worksheets about correct order to teach the phonics. As you know, here is the letter sound. The first step is you teach your kids about letter sounds. So these are the letter sound as s, a, p, e, t, n, ch, n, e, h, r, n. So ending with these, the next step is the start blending. Start blending means the introduction of two letter words as an, ab, s, pi, r, am, si, it, ip, and the combination of the three letter words. So these are actually the blending which includes the combination of two letter word and three letter word. In the three letter words, you can see here the sap, pat, pit, nap, mat, cat, hen, knit, sat, and kit are the examples. And the next step is the teach blends. Means you are blending with the different words. As an example, R and L are the blenders. So these are actually the words which are including in the blending words. Jur, fur, der, per, sir, bil, gul, full, full, sil. So these are actually the example which are included in the R and L or something else blends. So frog, drop, prom, flag, slim as an example, which included in the 4 or the 5 letter words. So the next step is the tricky words. These are actually the tricky words, which means you teach your child about the jolly phonic, means 1 2 3 A to Z. And these are the tricky words which include the I, he, she, was, come, some, all, you. These are the words which are actually including in the tricky words. So the next step is you are actually follow that the basic sentence reading, in which the basic sentence reading you must teach your child about the sentence. Means as an example, I got a flag from a mall. Did you drop the pen? Pat went to get a can. Nan got 10 hands in the pen. So these are actually the sentence structures. And the other step is the long vowel and short vowel words, and I have a video for that you can see. As the long vowel include I, U, E, U. And these are actually the short vowel including the A, E, I, O, U, as you know all very well. So the examples of the long vowels is I. I means aim, pain, train. O, oats, goat, plot. I, fried, tried, pie. E, sweep, sleep, ship. U is due, skew, and rescue, and the few. So these are actually the combination of the long and the short vowel words. Next, you teach your child about the digraphs and diathofs. These are actually included sh, ch, th, u, oi. So these are actually smudged into the R control, and you teach your child about the R control, R, or first, and then you are teaching your child about the letter as the alternatives, means r, ir. So these are actually the combination of the digraphs and the diathop. So moving to the next step, you teach your child about the spelling rules. So these are actually the spelling rules. Other than that, flaws rule, rabbit rule, magic E words, the heart of the soft CG combination words, and much more. So these are actually the spelling rules which you must teach your child about that. So next are the alternatives. Alternatives include the I, U, E. means I means a, how to pronounce it. Fight means in the day, in the fight you are using that kind of words. And u means cow and all that. And e means the combination of the same words like e a, as in tree, as in sleigh. So these are actually the words which are actually the included in, and these are actually the series. You must teach your child about that. So follow for more and just cite for later, and subscribe me if you like the video. Thank you so much for watching my video.